Is your roof showing signs of wear and tear? Don't wait for a minor leak to become a major problem. Pro Build Roofing is here to help. Our experienced team specializes in roof repairs for all types of roofing materials. Whether it's tiles, metal, or shingles, we have you covered. We understand the importance of a secure roof. A well-maintained roof not only protects your home but also contributes to its overall value. At Pro Build Roofing, we offer free inspections to assess the condition of your roof. Our experts will provide you with a comprehensive report. After the inspection, we discuss the best repair options that suit your budget and needs. Transparency and trust are our core values. Don't let a small issue escalate into costly damage. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your roof significantly. We only use high-quality materials for our repairs. Our commitment to quality ensures long-lasting results for your roofing needs. Our skilled team is equipped to handle emergency repairs. We know that roof issues can arise unexpectedly and need prompt attention. With Pro Build Roofing, you can expect timely and efficient service. We prioritize your satisfaction and strive to exceed your expectations. Don't compromise on safety when it comes to your roof. Our trained professionals follow all safety guidelines while working on your property. Customer feedback is important to us. We take pride in our positive reviews and aim to provide the best service possible. Ready to restore your roof? Contact Pro Build Roofing today for reliable roof repair services. We are just a call away. Visit our website for more information and to schedule your free roof inspection. Take the first step towards a safer home today. Pro Build Roofing, your trusted partner in roof repairs. Quality, reliability, and care are what we promise.